Good morning. The another most important area where dominated people always like to interpret to their preferable way so as to deprive the constitutional remedies and protections given to downtrodden people, particularly scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and most backward community peoples under Article 16. Initially, there was no reservation when the constitution was introduced, but later on, by notification, the reservation was introduced. But there may be the question of reservation percentage and horizontal, vertical, all these things is a grave subject, and we fought for that, and we are fighting, and we have to fight in future also. See, when I was at Nagpur, I was holding lot of union posts. I was Secretary General of National Union of all state and central government unions. I was Circle President of Maharashtra Circle of Extra Departmental Agent. I am President of Motor Vehicle Depot of Nagpur, MP Circle, and I was Secretary of the National Union of Class 3 of Postal Stock Depot, Nagpur MP branch. Therefore, the Nagpur was reserve constituency, and almost more than 60% people are Nagpur scheduled caste. The Nagpur authorities, all authorities used to simply allot reserved seats for the SC people. Thereafter, they were excluded from holding or being selected for the post under open category. That was challenged by me. I faced several threats, and finally I succeeded by going hunger strike, and that was later on upheld, that initially they should select open category, permitting all other candidates, including the reserve candidates. Thereafter, the rest will be, the reserved candidates should be filled up, and subject to other Supreme Court interpretation of not exceeding that much of percentage as the area has to be. Here the Supreme Court has given another similar judgment. AR 2021 Supreme Court 1267, State of Tamil Nadu versus K. Sopana. There they have held that reservation for non-availability of required number of candidates belonging to community falling under reservation. In subsequent recruitment, general merit list to be first filled in. Backlog vacancies of reserved categories to be thereafter filled in first, and remaining reserved vacancies for current year to be filled thereafter. That much of interpretation was given in favor of the people who starving for employment and status in the society to mingle with us. Section 27F of Tamil Nadu Government Servant Condition of Services Act merely state that if the required number of candidates belonging to the community which fall under reservation are not available, then the vacancies for which selection could not be made in the current year should be treated as backlog vacancies. In the subsequent recruitment, the backlog vacancy and the current vacancy for the particular must be separately announced, and the direct recruitment must first accommodate the backlog vacancies, and thereafter only the current vacancies have to be accommodated. The provision which contains the word first does not have any relation to the offer and placement of such reserved category candidates, including most backward class who attain their position by way of merit in the open category general 10 vacancies. Section 27 deals with the reservation. It has nothing to do with the general candidate list general TAN vacancies. Such of the candidates who have made it on their own merit, albeit from reserved category, have not sought the benefit of the reservation. Thus, Section 27 would have nothing to do up to that point. Section 27 would apply only when reservation principles begins, which is after filling up the seats on merits. Thus, the word first would apply at the stage. The backlog have to be filled in first and the current vacancy filled in thereafter. At the stage when the general category seats are being filled, there is thus no question of any carry forward or current vacancies for reserved categories arising at all. The steps are clear in terms of that. Therefore, they have dismissed the SLP. So kindly go through the judgment and see that your candidates are properly recruited or placed for appointment. Best wishes.